Hi folks, and welcome to my channel. On today's episode, you're going to learn how to disassemble and reassemble a Desert Eagle magazine. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to invite you to subscribe, hit that like button, and leave a comment below. Thank you. Use a punch and push it through the opening in the base plate. Depress the lock plate until it has cleared the base plate. Slowly slide the base plate forward while keeping your thumb over the lock plate as it is under spring pressure. Slowly release the spring tension. Remove the lock plate and spring from the magazine body. Push the magazine follower out from the top down. Remove the follower. To reassemble the magazine, start with the magazine follower and magazine spring. Install the magazine spring onto the follower by carefully feeding it underneath the magazine follower retainer spring. Ensure the magazine spring is fully seated onto the follower. Make sure the follower is oriented correctly as pictured here before inserting it into the body. Use a non-metallic push rod to push the follower all the way to the top. Ensure that you only put pressure on the follower. Do not use the spring to guide the follower to the top. Ensure the follower is seated in its uppermost position. Place the lock plate onto the magazine spring, ensuring the spring is fully seated. Compress the spring until the lock plate is sitting flush with the bottom of the magazine. Hold it in place with your thumb. While holding the lock plate down, slide the base plate onto the magazine body from front to rear. Slide the base plate to the rear until you hear a click. Ensure the base plate is correctly locked into place by pressing forward on it from the rear. The base plate should not come free.